In the chaos of the current conflict, one man is working as hard as anyone to assist Ukrainian citizens and get them out of harm's way. His name?
Arthur Killian. I'm a tech entrepreneur. I have a degree in systems of artificial intelligence. I've been building tech startups for about 10 years.
Killian, who emigrated from Ukraine to the U.S. in 2018, dropped everything when hostilities began on February 24th. Using his software expertise,
I couldn't even imagine that I'm going to need it for my own country, my own family.
he started UkraineNow.org, a nonprofit that's mobilized thousands of volunteers using various messaging apps to get people onto buses in Ukraine and then to safety.
I'm just using my skills. I dropped all my commercial work. I'm on this 24/7, as most of the Ukrainians are, just because we have no other option.
Whatever gets the job done. His organization found and bought this ambulance in the Netherlands is just one example. It managed to rescue some young Ukrainian cancer patients.
It was intense. It was the craziest thing that we've done.
A $10,000 contribution from Amazon Web Services helped Ukraine Now construct a tech platform that other groups and governments can plug into in the hopes of bringing some order to the sprawling relief effort. Killian is driven by the use of technology for social good. 2 years ago, he created a website to make sense of the vast scientific literature related to COVID-19. That was daunting. The current challenge may be even more so.
We are UkraineNow.org. We're trying to assess the needs on the ground.
Killian, who's based in Los Angeles, recently brought basic supplies to Tijuana, Mexico, where Ukrainian refugees have gathered in large numbers, hoping to gain entry into the U.S.
It's very, very bad. There's around 400 or 500 people arriving each day, and it's going to increase. And they're not letting, that many people in.
Many of Killian's own relatives remain stuck in Ukraine.
It's an impossible task. We've tried every door, knocked on every possible embassy. It's just very hard.
Money is another obstacle. Donations to Ukraine Now have been inconsistent. Killian, who's on 50 to 60 Zoom calls a day, and most of his volunteers are not paid for their efforts. He knows that can't go on forever.
I'm just burning out. It's very, very challenging when you know that every single minute of your time can save lives, and you just not allowing yourself to go to sleep and rest because you can't.
Too many refugees need his attention. There's too much work to be done. Hendrik Sabrandi, CGTN, Denver.